Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to turn on Bluetooth. So first thing that you would do is simply go to the start menu over here, and now just simply go ahead and go to the gear icon over here or the settings. And now if you don't see that, you can just simply search over here, settings, and just simply go to settings. And now from here, just simply go to the devices over here at the middle, and after that, you should be able to see here the Bluetooth button. So just simply turn it on. And from here, you should be able to turn it on. And if you want to add a Bluetooth or other device, you can just simply click over here. And now if you want to add your mouse, keyboard, or audio, or other Bluetooth devices, you can just simply click on over here to detect it. And guys, you should have a Bluetooth dongle in order for you to have this button. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.